Hi to all the painters around the world. Again, it's me, Irish, from Isulan, Sultan Kudarat, Philippines. So, today's video, I will show you our 99.9% progress of our painting. Alright, so again, we are in Cambridge, New Zealand, and this is the house that we painted for 10 days. So this is their garage. Again, this is a 200 square meter house. There is one room here, and the hallway has one bathroom, one toilet. There's another room here, another room here, and this is the master's bedroom. So it also has its own bathroom. So we painted the doors, the frames, the walls, the ceilings, and yeah, everything inside the house, except for the bricks. We didn't paint the bricks, of course. No, it's the owner's choice not to paint the bricks. So what bricks that I'm talking about? This one, because there's a design of a bricks here inside the room. And again, this is their kitchen. This is the living area or living room. And this is the main entrance of the house. So we painted this for 10 days and just the two of us. So here's our master painter, Sir Alex. What can you say about the painting? Good. Good? Good. Did you have fun? Did you enjoy painting the house?
Enjoy.
Good. So yeah, that's it. See you on my next vlog.